Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by melting 2 tablespoons butter over medium heat. This gives flavor and a stable fat base for the roux. Once the butter foams, add 2 tablespoons flour and whisk constantly so the raw taste cooks out and you form a smooth paste. Keep the heat moderate to hot and it browns. Meanwhile, make sure your milk is warm. Adding cold milk shocks the roux and creates lumps. Stir until the roux smells nutty and slightly golden, then proceed. Once you have a smooth roux, add warm milk slowly while whisking. This prevents lumps and yields a silky texture. After the first addition, switch to a spoon and continue adding milk in a steady stream until you reach a pourable consistency. Then simmer gently for 5 to 8 minutes so the sauce thickens and starches fully gelatinize. Make sure to season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. They brighten the sauce. Finally, fold in steamed vegetables and keep the heat low to finish cooking. You finish by folding in 1/2 cup grated cheese or fresh herbs to round flavors. A touch of acid like lemon brightens the dish. Serve immediately for best texture, or keep warm on the lowest flame and stir occasionally. If the sauce becomes too thick while standing, thin it with a splash of warm milk and reheat gently. If lumps form, make sure to whisk vigorously over low heat or pass the sauce through a fine sieve. That rescues texture without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.